Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access special features. Then click on Simple Mode at the bottom and tap on Enter Simple Mode to activate it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, access Settings again. But this time click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!